guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liv Celene if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back to view more content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So today's video is all about nails. I don't know about y'all, but during this whole quarantine situation, I have been going through it. Okay, my nails are a disaster, so I decided to go into CVS and pick up some of these press-on nails or glue-on nails for home application. It's super easy. It took about 10 minutes. So if you're interested in knowing how I did it, please keep watching. All right, guys, jumping right in. This is the current state of my nails. Super grown out. I usually get long nails, and for some reason last month I was like, let me switch it up and get it short, and this is what I've been stuck with. So the few things that we're gonna need are acetone to be able to soak off the acrylic from your natural nails. You're also gonna need a buffing block and a nail file. Next, I got this little kit from CVS, but the only thing I really need out of it is this little scraper to get all of the excess acrylic off. Next, I got some base coat and top coat for when I apply the nails. I got this nail glue, which the nails I got actually did come with their own glue, but I also have this. And then these are the stars of the show. I got the Kiss Gel Fantasy nails that are just glue-on nails. They're long length and they're kind of already, they say sculpted, but they're kind of like a coffin almond kind of shape. And then I also got the same in this nude color as well. So the first step is going to be taking these nail clippers. I'm just going to cut down my nails. There's no need for me to start working on the parts that really need to be cut off anyway. So just go ahead and get rid of that extra length. And then I'm going to start with the nail file. I have gel polish on, so if you don't know already, gel polish does not come off with regular nail polish remover, so you have to scrape it off. So basically you take the nail file and you're just scraping and removing all of the gel polish, as you can see here. And so I just spent like 20 minutes going through and removing all of that polish. Okay, so this is what the nails look like after trying to get as much of the polish off. And so the next step would have been to start soaking off my nails, except when I tell you I dread removing acrylic nails in like full sets. Like, I do not do it on my own ever. And usually when I go to the nail shop for a new set, I have my old one on. They're just like, do you want to soak or can we just pop them off? I'm like, girl, pop them off. Like, I do not care. I know that I need to care more for my natural nails. Yes, they are very damaged, and you can see that in this video. That's just not my concern right now. So basically I was just clipping off as much acrylic as I could to basically avoid having to soak them off, honestly. And you can see it worked. I didn't think it was gonna work because filing off the polish kind of thins out the acrylic, and it's harder to kind of like wedge underneath the acrylic between your nail bed to like clip it off. But this is how much I was able to remove. And of course, I started to file again because I was like, nope, still don't want to soak. So I buffed and filed down as much of the acrylic as I could. And we see this is the result we have. So I was able to get it off all of them except about 4 fingers. So these are the 4 fingers that still had a little bit left that I wasn't able to just file down. And so now we're going to take the acetone, take some cotton pads, and just really soak it. And then you place it on the nail beds. For some reason, I decided to put 2 fingers together and just put 1 cotton pad per finger. Just do it like that, and then you'll grab your aluminum foil and wrap them up. And then I just proceed to do that to the 2 remaining fingers. I also want to give a disclaimer that I am super ashy in this video. So like, let's just bear with me. So after 30 minutes, go ahead and check our nails and they are ready. So I'm going into the little nail kit I got and getting the scraper tool to basically just scrape off And then the thumb on the second hand actually kind of need a little bit longer, so I'm just re-wrapping that and then going in with the buffing block and just smoothing out my nails. So I am just using the nail file just to shape a little more from the jagged edges of clipping them originally. And so these are my clean nails. Again, a little damaged, but it's fine. So I'm going in with the base coat from Orly. This is just what they had at CVS. I didn't really look for a specific brand, but I'm just going through and painting 1 coat on each fingernail. So I decided to go with this kind of bright neon peachish color. So I do like these nails. They are a good length and shape. They're pretty much what I usually do get. They comes with glue in this little pink tube. It comes with a small nail file and then a small wooden tool to push down your cuticles. So there's like 22 nails, I can't remember, somewhere between like 22 and 24 nails that come in the pack basically, so you can size around and figure out what fingernail best matches your own. So I just open it and then start basically playing around to figure out which ones match my nail size. So I just started sizing and putting them to the side after I figured out. They do have numbers though, so after you read the number for your one hand, it's easy to just pick out those same numbers to match your next hand. So just starting out with the glue, I'm applying it not all the way to the top, just to where your nail bed actually lays, and then I'm fitting it right into my nail. And then the directions on the box say just 5 seconds, so I just held it. And here we have it. Cute. And so again, just applying the glue and sticking on, holding down for 5 seconds. Yes. All right, so I'm just going to speed through the rest of the application. Super cute. I really love this color, and that was so easy. So here I am just going back over the edges, making sure everything was right. They fit perfectly to my nails, so I really didn't have to do too much. So I'm taking the top coat and just running over it. I honestly wouldn't suggest the top coat. Afterwards, it honestly just started peeling off. Like a clear layer just started peeling off, so I was like, okay. The directions don't say add a top coat. I just kind of wanted to give it an extra shine. Not sure if it was the brand or just top coat in general. But the little glossy effect is cute though. So this is how they looked in the end. And so for the second hand, I decided to use the tool to push down my cuticles. I felt like they kind of looked just placed on top on the first hand. So I'm doing this with the second hand, and then I actually went back and pushed the cuticle down again on the first hand as well. Alrighty guys, so it's a couple hours later just because I took a break, hence the lighting change. But here are the final results. Super cute, added some cute little rings to give you a little aesthetic feel, but love. They were super easy. If I didn't have to prepare my own nails, this would have taken literally 5 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.